Hey guys, welcome and or welcome back. Today we're going to be stuffing another $30. If y'all are interested to see if I'm going to make it to saving the $300 or more by June, please make sure you are subscribed, turn your notification bell on, and stay tuned.
In the crowd, in the club, at the bar, yo, what's up? I saw you cross the room, yeah, glowing in the moonlight. I don't know where you've been, but I'm glad that you're here. Gonna take you by the hand.
All right, guys, thank you so much for joining me. I really do appreciate each and every one of you. Let's go ahead and count the money so we can get started. Today, I feel like I'm a little bit rushed, so if I do seem like I'm going too fast, let me know. I do apologize. At the end, whenever I actually complete the challenge, I will count the amount that I have saved for that challenge, and then we'll see if we have it saved. Today, I'm just stuffing $30. I'm trying to stuff it so that I can go to a graduation in June. And I have a plan set up. This is only extra income that I'm pushing myself to make in order to save for these challenges. So I am really trying to see if I can get over the $300 mark. Hopefully I can, fingers crossed, but we will see. All right, so let's go ahead and count 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, and 30. I was actually thinking it's possible that I actually might not make it to the $300. If I don't make it to the $300, I'm not going to be too sad. I know that expenses are covered or whatever, so I really don't need this extra money. I just want it because if I see some food or something that I want, which is always food, I want to get it. So that's really the real reason why I'm trying to save for this money. Oh, I need to get my marker. These last week they actually went through the markers that I'm using went through. So I was actually thinking about getting a highlighter because if this highlighter is not going to go through, they're Bible markers, so they're not going to go through. All right, so let's go ahead and start. We have $3 and we have 2 5s. So in case we need to swap out, we can swap out. All right, so 1, 2, and 3. They are so sticky today. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. 1. And then what are y'all actually doing this weekend? I actually have nothing that outside of the cruise, nothing planned. And I'm so surprised because usually, he comes over and we have like a whole date night planned out. And right now we're like, you know what, let's just enjoy the cruise and not have anything else planned for the month of April because financially, I'm just like, we taking a hit. We taking a hit. All right, so, oh, wait. I forgot we had the $10. So 2, but I need 1. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get this 5. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And then we'll switch it out here. And then we need a 1. And then, so this is the income that goes here. Girl, don't get it mixed up. Don't get it mixed up. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Cool. So $3. 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 1. Awesome. All right. All right. So with the food festival, there was a food festival that was coming up, and we were like, we really, really wanted to go. And it's in Houston, so we were like, let's go ahead and just take my son. Well, like I said, we were trying to, not spend any extra money. And I told him, I was like, I'm really trying to focus on trying to get extra money for whenever we go to North Carolina because I know that one's going to take us out. So he started laughing and said that, we'll be fine, of course. But, like sometimes whenever you go, I want to mail myself some stuff and I want to like look around and stuff. So I want to go downtown, walk around. I really wish I had somebody that was there would drive us around, but I seriously doubt that's going to happen. So I was like, we're gonna, be there for a little bit and just come straight back. And he was like, no. So I was like, okay, then I want to be able to do something. Like I don't want to be sitting in the hotel. I'm not gonna go out of town and fly all the way over there. Never been there and not get out. Hopefully, I didn't even look it up, but hopefully their town is the capital, so I can go look at the capital. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And 10. Cool. Again, we're not counting these. I was actually counting it at first, and I was like, you know what? Let's not count it because I want to be surprised. It is a mystery for this one. I mean, the other ones I already know what they're going to be, so we'll find out at the end whenever they're done to stuff too. So, all right, so we're doing this. Yeah, so exciting. I want to know if I'm going to finish these first, or which one I'm going to actually finish first. $8 goes into this one, so let's actually fold it until we get 2 10s. That way, and not mark anything good. Okay, because I was ready to sign some stuff. Leave my signature. All right, and this one has 1, 2, 3. What am I doing? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. 10 and a 2. Oh, it's so close, so close, so close. All right, so this is so fun to actually like see the growth of it and not like touch it, like just putting it out of mind, out of sight, out of mind, and being able to actually like stick to your goal and not be like discouraged because you want coffee or because you want muffins or something, like it's so cool to see that you actually stick to your little goal. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and let y'all go. Don't forget, I have weekly check-ins now. I am trying to stick to my debt payments. I also am now doing vlogs, letting you know how much I'm actually making within a certain amount of rides in a day. Having my bill binder, cash stuff and stuff like that. So if y'all are interested in my channel, all the month of March, I tried to post a video every day. The first week was kind of rocky for me, and then I did really well. And then also in April, I plan on doing a new game, which will be announced on the 1st. It will be available in Ko-Fi as a digital only, and so it will be physical in May. So if y'all are interested, please go check that out. But yeah, anything that y'all see right now is going to be in the physical is Etsy shop, or it's also in the digital in Ko-Fi. So thank y'all so much for being here. I really do appreciate each and every one of you. Stay blessed, stay beautiful, and stay safe. Bye, guys.